through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned $1 million down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
Recording in progress.
The water didn't wake you.
All right, how you guys feeling? Happy Thursday. Welcome
Yeah, the
in.
darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father.
Recording
You
stopped.
deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father.
Welcome in, welcome
You
in.
deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
What's goody? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? How you feeling? How you feeling? What up, Trader 845? What's up, Randy? What up, Matt? Engineer 14. How are you today? What's good? What's good? What's up, Daniel? What up, Arrow? Slayer's Pixel Playground in the building. What's good? What's good? Yo, Janosh in the house. What up, Janosh? Mod Squad here. What up, OGH? Kelvin in the building. What's good, Kelvin? George VDM is in the house. What up, Energy? Energy. Rob Trades in the building. What up, Rob Trades? What's good? What's good? 3 Ants. How you doing? What up, Xander? Yo, yo. How we feeling, everyone? Happy Thursday to you. Oh no, happy Janosh birthday, eh? We got back-to-back birthdays. Back-to-back? That's lit. What's good, Christian? What up, Barry? Vince, how you doing, man? What's good? What's good? DT Gamer in the building. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. What's goody? What's goody? What up, Warlos? Mike go in the building. Yo, yo. How y'all feeling? What's up, SG80? Let's get this Zoom link out. We got some news coming in here today. Some more red folder news. Coach Carter in the building. Mic check, mic check.
Hello, can someone tell me if this thing is working?
Dropout Trader is in the building. What up, Lang? Yo. Stevie Mac in the house. What up, Stevie Mac? All right, let me drop this Zoom link here. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hope you guys had a good Asian session, good London session. Welcome to the NY sesh. AB Mike is here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Mr. Lopez? All right, the Zoom is out. Let me just share my screen. Give me a sec here. Give me a sec. Daniel's in the house. What's goody? What's goody? What up, Zoomers? How we feeling? Good to be back. Good to be back. Diogo in the house. What up, LeGrand? What up, everybody? Yo. Hold on, give me 1 sec. Let me close the door here in my office, and then we're gonna get started. Okie dokie. Party time. Let's do it here, gang. Let me lower the music. Let's begin in prayer, and then we'll get ready to see what the market's got for us here today. So let's pray real quick, and then we will begin. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for another opportunity, another day, Lord. We are grateful for it. We're rejoicing in it. We welcome all the goodness that you have for us, Lord. We thank you for what you're doing here. We honor you, and we give you all the glory for it. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Let's get it popping here. A lot of victory going on here at Time to Eat, and it's really no surprise. I mean, we arranged it in prayer, and then we continue to believe, and we continue to knock, and we continue to just push forward, right, in the direction of our dreams and goals. And, you know, at that point, it's very, very difficult to stop that person, right, from continuing to push forward. So congratulations to those of you guys who are conducting yourselves in that manner. It's going to pay off. It's going to pay off big time here. So you just give it some time, and you will be all right. Cool. Let's begin here. Let's talk about the day ahead of us. So it is New York session. Welcome in. As you guys settle in, give the stream a like for me. Friendly reminder. Let's talk about it here. We got Thursday. It's November 14th. Let me just lower this music a little bit. It's November 14th here. Again, it is Thursday. We do have some red folder news coming out here at 8:30 a.m., which is going to be in about roughly 31 minutes. So 31 minutes from now, we've got red folder news. You've got PPI here. You've also got unemployment claims coming out today. So we'll see how things turn out there. CPI numbers came out pretty much no change there yesterday. You also will have Powell speaking later today. So we'll see what happens with that around 3 p.m. And, you know, just some orange folder stuff, right? Some regular Thursday things here today in the news, outside of the bigger one, which is going to be PPI. So I'll be sitting tight and waiting for that news to come out. And yeah, let's do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's see what we got going on here today, and let's take a look at this. Holy wow, look it. You see? Ask and you shall receive, gang. Ask and you shall receive. How long were we asking for this bleeder here, for this meltdown on gold? Hold on. Let me get you. I got you guys Zoom. Hold on 1 sec. There we go. All right. Good call, Tamara. Good call. You guys got music? Sorry. All right, cool. So we've been asking for the meltdown here. We have received what we've asked for. So let's go ahead and talk about gold here, because obviously we were very bullish for quite some time as we were kind of heading into the elections, right? And notice how pretty much once the elections came out, I think the day before or so, you know, we started to see this meltdown here. So gold starts pushing down, and we've been extremely bearish now ever since here. So what are we looking at here? We are looking at the daily time frame. We are just absolutely melting here. So you're looking at a bearish rally right now, and you've had this resistance over here, right? And that was it. Gold was gone right from that resistance, gone. So hasn't really pulled back at all. I would expect gold, hold on 1 sec. Yeah, I would expect gold to have some sort of a pullback here at some point, right? So we're coming into this super choppy zone, right? And we don't know what we're going to do here. So are we going to reject, or are we going to push through, right? Excuse me. So that's the big question here on gold. What will we do? So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Let's get rid of this 4-hour chart looking like it wants to pull back, right? So let's take a look. So, whoops. So we've got resistance here, right? We've got this range that we've just left. We've filled the range here. Nice. So I would expect the pullback. You know, expect some sort of a pullback coming in. possibly. Whew. Gang, look at this meltdown here. Is this insane or what? Look at this 4-hour chart. So Asian session last night. Look at this. After New York sesh, we chop around here in Asian and just completely melt. Completely melt here. So we're looking for a pullback, right? Pullbacks, will we get it? This may be our pullback, right? So 1 hour closing bearish, 30-minute closing pretty decent bearish here too, gang. So I might have sell stops. Yeah, if we can get a closure below, I like this. But news is coming out. I think we wait in this range and settle in here. Yeah. Yeah, so I think we settle in right here. Pre-news, we wait, see how numbers come out, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, other than that, not much to do. If it wasn't pre-news, I'd pretty much be interested right now. Full margin these sells immediately. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wait here for news. We do have range here today, so pretty clean range. Let's sit tight, let's wait. Yeah, 80 pip range moving down here. So we'll probably mess around here pre-news, and then once we get some numbers, we make some moves from there. Cool. Trade Tycoon in the house. Trade Tycoon. Louis G. Order filled. Order filled. Daniel, how was your birthday, bro? How's that strawberry cake? Money? Money? Zoom link? Zoom's already out. Yeah, there's like 60 people. Just go to the yeah, you should see it. Same place. Zoom. Zoom. What's up, Dan? Yo. Zoom, y'all got music, right? Yeah, is anyone in positions now before news? A little zoomy. OGH. Let's go, bro. Let's go. What's up, Kelvin? Good morning, man. Good morning. What up, vibes? Yo. Bands counted up, my man. What's goody? Guys are in cells. Nice. Yeah, 1 hour looks actually not that bad. Same thing with the 30-minute here. 15, you got a little some. Little some. Pre-news, I would probably wait for I'm gonna wait for 15. But yeah, other than that, looks good on 30, looks good on the 1 hour. Little news sell. I dig it. Vibes, man. Vibes. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Any trades in Asian? Yeah, we took trade in Asian. We took buy for like, I think it was like 12 pips. It was pretty, wasn't a big push, but it was a push. What's up, Michael? My view on the current chart is I'm going to be waiting on news to come out here, but you know, buys going long looks pretty good. I would say above 62 here. You'd be breaking those previous 1 hour highs. You'd be breaking the 4 hour high with that. You're also closing above these ranges here on the 30-minute time frame, and then sells below 25.55 look clean as well, right? Because now we're breaking the previous 1 hour lows, breaking the where is it, the 15-minute lows, closing below that support, and then potentially, you know, making our way down on this 4-hour candle, right? Because look at these 4-hour candles. Like, I just honestly, I didn't even really look at it like this until like just a few minutes ago, but we absolutely just been just melting. Like, so could this be the top wick for us to just continue driving through the New York session, or are we going to get a pullback? So that's why the ranges that we have marked off are basically surrounding the previous 1-hour candles here too. So I think if we get a break of either high or lows, we should have some direction, but also going to wait for news to come out, because when that news does come out, it could be very like crazy type of candle, right? So it could break highs, break lows, and not even pick a direction. So I don't really want to be in for that, but sometimes you'll get a straight push on that. That's why some of the guys and girls are in this sell, or some of them are in the buy, because you never know, it could just push and continue in that direction. So what up, J Traits? Yo, congrats, man. The winner, you were the first winner yesterday. Underscore J Trades underscore. Yeah, there he is. I remember. Nobody moves, nobody gets clipped. Forgot the news? Yeah, we got news coming. That's actually pretty smart. Smart decision. What's up, Tom? Good morning, my man. Good morning. What's up, Assad? Welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. We'll have updates on the competition in, I would say, probably like an hour and a half or so. So those of you guys that are trading news, you might have a come up here. You might have a come down here. I don't know. Yeah, we're going to do a new challenge. Yeah, B21. So there's going to be a new challenge that's going to start. I'll get the date for you guys today. Yeah, but this one's going to be big. I think we're going to be able to do bigger prizes. So we're talking about doing some wild stuff. So I'll keep you guys posted on it. Cody. Yeah, hey Cody, you gotta wile him up now. Wile him up. What up, Buzz Blab? All good, Jorah, all good. Next one's around the corner. Cool part about it is these competitions are free. They kind of stretch you to, you know, compete a little bit. I love competition. You know, I think some nice, healthy competition is good. And they give you a challenge. You know, it's fun. And there's some prizes at the end. And we're talking about now even creating some experiences, like not even just prizes, right? But an experience as well to, you know, do some baller stuff for like a day or two. So yeah, these there's no telling where we're gonna take these challenges, man. It literally all started that one day with, yo, Nick and John should, you know, blah blah blah, compete on a trade, whatever. Remember that? Chat, you remember that, right? That's how this whole thing started, and now we've got like 4 different communities involved, and we've gotten people paid out thousands of dollars. We've given away like hundreds of thousands of challenge accounts. Like, it's wild. So I mean, like, everything starts as a thought. Everything. That was a simple idea now that is just booming around. Romania in the house. How you doing? Yeah, it's good to have some competition. But the main person you want to compete with is you. Just compete with yourself every day. Lock in. Nothing else matters. W Stevie Mac. What's up, John? Appreciate that, man. What's the best idea video book to learn candlesticks? The best idea is Chart Time. The best video, I don't know if there is a best video, but if you want all of my thoughts and opinions, it would probably be my playbook video on how to learn, like just how to look for the right setups and patterns and the mentality behind it. But the best thing you can do is show up every day. The best way to read candles and understand candles, there's a process that takes place that is not completed until you've actually put in like the time, right? The chart time. So like someone can teach you something and tell you something over and over and over again, but you can't fully get it, right? Until you have that chart time under your belt experience. So just like anything in life, by the way, you know, that's not just trading, right? That's not just the markets, that's anything. So I think that's the best book you can read is the markets every day. Pull up every day when you can, put the time in, the time that you can put in, and just, you know, be in it for the long haul. Really sit here to understand, not to necessarily make a whole bunch of money, but to understand, because once you understand, then you can make a whole bunch of money. You know, but if you try and shortcut it and just grab the money without the understanding, you know, it's tough. It's tough. It's up and down and up and down and up and down like that. What's up, LaRon in the building? The first ever, wow, the first ever TTE Challenge account giveaway winner. Damn. How are you, bro? Hope you're well, my man. Is it free to join the challenge? Yes. Yeah. There's no cost to it. You just sign up for it and they'll send you a 100K account. If I was going to trade London, what time would you recommend? I would recommend, depends on what pair you're trading. I'm just going off of gold. I would say 1:30 a.m. to about 4 a.m. Eastern. So whatever that is for you. Yeah, man. Once you understand, you can start. And look, you're never going to fully understand. We're all always going to be learning. So just keep your options open to learning and adapting and adjusting and all that type of stuff. But yeah, you know, once you have a solid foundation, you can build on it, right? The issue is many people don't want to build that solid foundation, right? They want to build that foundation on sand instead of rock. And then, you know, it keeps getting messed up and they got to rebuild and rebuild. So build the foundation first. You know, consider this like a job, but just pretend that you've been hired to work on the trading floor in London or the trading floor in Chicago or the trading floor in New York, and you know you're now working for someone who's gonna, you know, analyze your trading, right, and hold you accountable. So just act like that's the case, pretend that's the case, and you know that's what helped me, was just playing those little mental mind tricks, and it still does help me. What's up, Ayush? What's goody? What's goody? What up, John? What up, Spider FX, man? Spider FX. Doing well, LaRon. Doing well, brother. Doing better now that you're here, my man. How do we sign up? Just keep an eye out. If you guys aren't signed up to our newsletter, go to timetrading.com, sign up to the email listing. We'll keep you guys updated on all that type of stuff. Yeah, we'll mention it on the streams and all that too. So you'll be well aware of it once we got the date. Sir, please off music. You don't like my music? Holy. You don't like my music? I'm trying to make you feel comfortable, to enjoy yourself while you're at the TTE Trading headquarters. Trying to get you to relax, to breathe. Woosah. Come on, class, everyone. One deep breath for me. You can do it. There you go. Doesn't that feel great? Doesn't it feel great? Just a deep, nice deep breath. Everything changes. It's loud. What's up, Mr. BTC in the building? What's goody? What's goody? So what do we got here? 12 minutes here. 12 minutes for some red folder news to come out here. Music's good? Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. Debo trades in the building. What's good, Debo? You ready to Debo these markets today? Snatch his chain, man. We're gonna snatch some gold out here. Give him the Raja treatment. I got the special Raja treatment for you today. With your help. Oh, nice. Past your 50K. Incredible. Incredible. Great job. Big W, big W. B21, we missed you in London, man. See, Melly was in London today. Is he here in New York sesh? Is he here in New York sesh? I don't know. I don't even know where Zoom is. Let me take a look over here. Are we selling gold, sir? I think a few people in the chat were selling gold. I'm not selling gold until we get closures and confirmations that I'm looking for below here. But I'm not doing anything right now until we get news to come out and I can see what direction this wants to go. Right? Because do we want to follow this, move down, right? Or do we want to actually start moving back up to correct it? Are we going to follow this stuff? Right? Or are we going to start to correct some things here, right? And start to follow this move. So that's what I'm trying to figure out, trying to get some direction. I think the news will help. I also think some breakouts will help. And that's what I'll be waiting for. Sir. Chala. Chala's in the house. Hope you're getting your bags packed, Chala. We got the shipping container company all ready to go. They said no problem. He's like, shipping container. I'm not bringing that many things with me. Don't worry, bro. Wiz Buddha, you made the call, right? Shipping container company's good to go. Oh man, John's flying to India, Chala's flying to Tampa, and we're gonna have a day in the life, a week in the life of both of them. Oh, you're welcome, Yao. UPS, FedEx? No. Don't worry about any of that. I got this guy. There's this other company that's it's gonna be a big company in a couple of years. Yeah. They're still new. You know, they're still a little under the radar, but you know they're doing really good, and the stock's going up, and yeah, they'll be all right. They have their own planes and their own shipping containers, and it's still a private company, but it'll do for now. We're safe. That's right, Wiz Buddha. That's right. We're changing the world out here. That's right. Yeah, I know a guy. Don't worry, I know a guy. They've done this before, once or twice. It's all good. Trust me. Right, Stephen B? Unboxing Chala in Florida. Holy. Man, if you popped out of that box and said the holy, that would honestly just make my life. I don't know, man. That'd be up there with the greatest moments of my life. Not gonna lie. Shit, me too. Oh, man. That would be amazing. Z Gamer, what do you think? News in 6 minutes here. News in 6 minutes. Just pop right out. We'll make sure we get the guy to arrange some sort of like party theme type of container. Yeah, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. How low is that flight again? He said it should be good from India to the US. I didn't like the term should. I was like, hold on. You sure this is good? He was like, yeah, don't worry, everything should be good. I was like, alright, man, I'm gonna trust you. He's one of my uncle's old friends. Who should I be watching during London? Us, man. You should be watching us during London. You should join the clubhouse with like 180 something other members here, where we just live stream Asian session, London session, New York session. We do webinars, we hang out over the weekend. We get to it. Definitely, Z Gamer, definitely. Yeah, don't worry. We'll send you back first class, though. We got you. We got you on the flight back. Oh, 16, 18 hours? That's not that bad. There's got to be enough oxygen in that container. I think he said it was like 4x4 or something like that. So should be good, right? For like 16, 18 hours. Just follow me on IG. Oh, nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, we're doing a giveaway today. Just posted a video yesterday on IG. All you got to do is comment, tell us where you're from, where we should go next, and we're going to look for some of like the two most common areas and try and get there for the next meetup or two. They don't even sleep. Yes, these people in the clubhouse are crazy. They're crazy people. Yeah. Speaking of crazy people, Travis in the building. What up, Trav? Hey, man, that was probably the funniest text I've seen all year. Oh my god, container takes 15 to 50 days. Alright, he didn't tell me about that. That should still be good though, right, Chala? Chala? The line is now... What up, Sebastian? That's good. All right, we got 2 minutes here, and then we'll get some sort of a push movement out of this area, or maybe not. Maybe we just move out and come back in. Only time will tell, so let's see what's going to happen. Are you guys still sellers still holding your sells? Buyers still holding your buys? Talk to me, chat. Talk to me. Talk to me. No, seriously, we are going to make this happen, though, Chala. We're going to make it happen. I promise. We're not going to fly you in a container, though, but I love the commitment. He was down. He's like, dude, I'll fly in the container. Whatever it takes. Love it. Don't worry, we'll fly you on a nice, you have a beautiful experience on your plane ride over. What's up, Juan? Deleted my sell stops. Nice, nice. All right, here we go. Under a minute. I don't know if we'll see anything crazy, but we got a 30-minute closure coming up. Looks like we will close in the range. 30-minute printing side by side. 1 hour, you know, kind of stuck now in between all this. Wicks on the way down, wicks on the way up. So we'll see if we pick a direction here. Nintendo. All right, here we go. Where will we go? Can the buyers stop the pressure? The bearish pressure has been unbelievable. Look at all these clean ranges we got now, though. Isn't this lovely? It's never ending. Amazing how quick life can change in 6 days, right? 8 days, whatever. We'll have top one results pretty soon. Pretty soon. Yeah. All right, let's see. Oh, green numbers here for unemployment claims. So green numbers for the dollar. That should continue to push gold to the downside. So how did everything else come out? Right about, yeah, as expected. So yeah, I mean, I'm still very bearish on gold here today. Very bearish. Yeah, I would say the 4 hour could call for a pullback, but I could have said that here, I could have said that here, I could have said that here, right? And we just keep on pushing. So just gonna remain bearish for the most part. Range 2 buys look pretty good though, if we can get above there, and other than that, just gotta wait. Yeah, they are good, but yeah, exactly, they are good, but they're less than last month, so that could stop the rain, but we'll see. I don't think anything can stop it here today. All-time highs, man. Yeah, those are rough. Oh, damn, you're out of commission for 10 days. Yeah, look where we're at now. Look where we're at now. So yeah, my ranges pretty much remain here. So you got a 15-minute support, clean traffic below there, nice little clean move below, but for about 50 pips. Above here, you're looking pretty good as well for buys. You're breaking the 1-hour highs at that point too, and pushing up in that range here. So I think we can get some closures below, then sells will be pretty nice here for the continued move down. Yeah, hold on to your seats. Papa Pal speaking later. How do you read the pips? Using the ruler. So for gold, you would read 69 there. Yeah, negative. So you read it on the right hand side. I'm new here. I'm looking for 3 to 5% profit today. What is the best advice on? Look, just that's awesome. I love that. And now just wait for the next best trade. You know, and whatever that gives you, it gives you. And then after that, just wait for the next best trade, and just take it trade by trade, and don't force anything. If you go up 1.5% and opportunities and good trades aren't presenting themselves, just call it. You know, you got your 1.5. Yeah, your goal was 3, whatever it is, 3 to 6. But you know, if there's no good setups, don't force anything to get it. So just look for the next best trade. What up, sleepy hot dog? Yeah, you can't go wrong when you're looking for the next best setup. Yeah, pal, yeah, later. Yeah, later. Maybe, yeah, 6 hours? Is that how long? Oh. 3 p.m. today, yeah. Give me a sec. Let me grab some water. All right, Wick City, typical news candle here. Thank you, Laylo. Yeah, that's what it's about, you know, making improvements. Never once have we, you know, ever said, hey, we're the best traders on the internet or any of that. We just show up every day, we trade, we get better, we learn. We do it as a group, as a community. It's pretty fun, you know. Working with a community is always better than working by yourself. And You know, we just keep getting better. Day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year. Just marching forward. Marching forward to 8 figures. It may take some time, but time's all we got. NQ flushing. Yo, what up, JDZ? Let's take a look at NQ here. We'll look at S&P. Yeah, look at this. Surprised gold didn't melt like this. NQ's been ranging for quite some time though. Quite some time. So we should go ahead and fill this whole range here right now. So shout out to anyone in NASDAQ sells. Let's take a look at S&P here. Wow, yeah, nice little sell-off. Same deal. Yeah, we were ranging for a while there. They didn't have any moves in London, which is understandable. Gold was moving all around in London, but these pairs were literally just consolidating. So they're going to get their big push here. And again, this one should go ahead and fill the range as well. Lay low, how you been? How you doing? How you been doing? It's good to see some of you guys, man. I don't know what happened, but YouTube was like, I think they still are doing some sort of sketchy stuff. We love YouTube though. Shout out to YouTube. Go purchase all the YouTube memberships. Get your premium. Get your premium plus. Get it all. Let's go back to Goldie here. Any trades in London? Yes. So one trade in London, one trade in Asian. So basically break even here. London. Yeah, this one right here. So we were right on about the direction, just a little early. So entered on the break of the lows here. Price came up. We had current candle stops. Got hit for like 12 or 13 pips, and then a little while later, price ended up just melting. Just melting. The Asian sesh, I didn't get a picture of that one, but it was basically a similar buy to like what you see here. Yeah, super low risk on both trades too. Just keeping risk low in Asian and London last night. What up, Segan? YOLO trader, how we feeling? Is Green here? Green, you here yet? Today? Because Green called me up yesterday. And he wanted to tell me some exciting news, and I agreed with him. So we thought we would maybe make something happen here today. What do you think, Green? There he is. The green signal is out. It's out. It's out. It's out. So me and Green were talking yesterday, and we wanted to do something that we've really never done before. And that is to mod a girl. Two girls. So we got a new mod today. 2 new mods today, which is dope. And who do you guys think it is? Who do you think it is? Oh. Who could it be? Who could it be? Who is it? Holy, it's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. snap. I wonder who it could be. Oh, snap. Tamra. Hey, yo. Tamra with the wrenchy. I know she's got some emojis here for that. I know she's got some emojis. The emoji queen. And who's here every single day and in the clubhouse. Showing up. Always pumping the YouTube chat. Got wrenches on wrenches. Wrenches on wrenches. And who's the other one? Holy energy. Energy with the mod. Bringing the energy to the building every day. Yes, sir. Always active in the YouTube chat. Always active. Congratulations. W's. Around every day. I think Tamara's the last one here every day. Am I tripping? Just jamming away. It's just the after party. W gang, W. So first time ever that we actually have female mods. There's more female mods to come too. Keep an eye out because there's a lot of up and comers. So yeah. Oh yeah. You'll hear their names shortly. W. We have to get the mod squad in check a little bit, you know? So we got to get some females in here and keep everyone on their toes, you know? YOLO trader, don't be trying to ban energy no more, man. Yo, energy's about to ban YOLO. Energy, do it to him, man. Do it to him once. Yeah. Yup. Now, you gentlemen got to behave now. Congrats, though. Congrats. We do appreciate your consistency and your, involvement in the YouTube chat. Right. It obviously makes the YouTube much better when the chat is moving and the interaction is taking place and people are getting their questions answered. I can't get to every question, so we appreciate y'all taking the time to serve people and help people in the community, and the wrench is yours, my friends. So big W. NAS sells? Hell no. So gold did not close above here on the 15-minute time frame. The 30-minute candle is still open. So we'll see what happens here. But as of right now, I really got nothing going on in terms of any buys. Yup. Yes, congrats, everyone. Congrats. Big W. Keep your eye out because there's more female mods to come. Yeah, they're stepping it up here. Stepping it up big time. Yeah, let's take a look at S&P. You may catch me looking at ES a little bit more than oh wow, I think you actually did get a closure there. That's awesome. Yeah, you may see me looking at this pair a little bit more. I'm just been watching it, been jiving with it, so I'm feeling it a little bit more than the NASDAQ too. So I don't know. I'm gonna pay attention to both and continue to sample size into the new year, and then whatever kind of really fits me best. I think I'm gonna be really going full time, not full time, but adding it in addition to gold. Yeah, so Goldie, no closure above just yet. Just wait. But yeah, yo, W new mods. Energy got energy. Throwing spams now. Where's YOLO Trader? I haven't seen him. Did you get your revenge on YOLO? You could do it. You have like a revenge card now. Energy got modded. YOLO disappeared. She didn't waste no time. No time. Yeah. Be safe. Be safe. We do a little what? Oh, Clubhouse going crazy. W. What's up, Marvin? Yeah, so the horizontal lines here, right? So basically what I'm doing every single day, so every day I approach the markets the same way, right? So I'm looking at the daily, I'm trying to find direction here on the daily. I'm going down to the 4 hour. I'm trying to get a read on what direction we want to go, right? So I want to understand what the daily's like for the overall picture of the day. But I want to get my main bias here off the 4 hour, which I like to call like my session bias. Right, so if I get my session bias now, because I'm only here for 3 or 4 hours, right? So the day is one thing, but I trade a couple different sessions, so I like to go form my bias based off of what the 4 hours telling me about that specific time in that session there. So then I'll chop down to the 1 hour. If I am bullish or bearish, I'm gonna make an idea here, right? So I know that the 4 hour is coming up to the highs. We're looking like we could pull back on the 4 hour a little bit here, right? And if we begin to break those highs, then, you know, there's a high chance that the price can move up. So all I'm looking to do is surround that 4 hour candle, looking for clean ranges to trade. And if you notice, I had sells below this 15-minute support, buys above here. If we take a look at that, we'll look at the 1 hour time frame. That kind of breaks through these highs, closes above the range. You've got clean traffic. I always look for clean traffic. So you got clean traffic on the left-hand side here. Same thing with the sells. If we close below, we're re-breaking the 4 hour lows. The 1 hour lows here. And then that kind of brings me down. So it is a pretty simple strategy for the most part. You have to wait a little bit, but once you get what you're looking for, it's pretty much go time. Yeah, we usually look to trade in high volume times, so that's why we're just waiting for specific closures, volume to come in, and then we strike, and then we pip and dip. We do what we like to call the pip and dip. Get in, get out, and then go do some life stuff. Touch some grass. Touch some grass. You could put so many emojis now. Uh-oh. The emojis are coming. Once an emoji person has access to a mod position, it's over. It's over. If you had any conversation going on, it's just gone. Sometimes I watch the chat in the morning, and you guys will be having a conversation, and then the music comes on, and it's just bye-bye. Like, I even see some people in the chat like, yo, the music's coming on. We'll talk later. I'll holler at you tomorrow around this time. It's just shoo. Yeah. Yeah, where is YOLO? I'm getting concerned. Energy claims she hasn't done anything. He's just been missing since she's been mod. What do I think with trading the trend? I think trading the trend is awesome. Yep. I like following the trend. I do. But right now, like, sometimes the trend, like on the higher time frame, this trend may need a pullback here. So like I want to follow the trend and be bearish, but I also, if I'm looking for sells off of like a 4-hour time frame, I want to see like a little bit of a pullback, right? And then some sort of like resistance to form, and then I'm probably going to look to take my sells. So that pullback, I'm open to taking buys on the lower time frames here, because I'm really just scalping it, right? So I'll take the buys moving up, I'll get out at a certain point, and then I'll wait for further confirmation and maybe take sells a little bit later to continue following that trend. What we got? So what do we got here? We got 6 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. You got six left on the 30, 6 left on the 1 hour here. So probably just gonna hang out, wait for this 6 minutes here, and then see what we got going on. Are we gonna close above? Are we gonna remain in the range? We know we have more volume coming in here at about 9:15, 9:30. So more volume should begin to dump in here shortly. News came out. We really didn't do much. Green numbers, gold's moving up. So she finally let him out. Did you have him in a headlock? So yeah, so we'll see what happens here. We came up to that 4-hour high, but we haven't really broke the 4-hour high yet. There's still some time left on the candle, so we'll see what's gonna take place here. But we kind of came right up to the high, respected it, and now we're just kind of trying to see what we're gonna do. I think in 6 minutes, if these candles close above, there could be a shot for buys. Yeah, we gotta start breaking these 4-hour highs over here. Some of you guys may be looking for range 2 buys above here, which I don't blame you either. But if this begins to happen during some high volume here, and we get this breakout, I think we got a clean move coming up. Yeah, just because we're kind of calling for that pullback here on the 4-hour, right? Daily kind of tap target here too. So keep in mind, this previous daily candle also closed without a bottom wick, right? So we closed right below the zone, but with 0 bottom wick. This candle made a top wick, drove down, filled the range almost to the decimal, and has basically just been rejecting off so far. So yeah, we'll see. We filled that range nicely though. So now if we are going to try and move up, it's going to go down on the 4-hour chart here. So you'll probably see the next candle or two, right, break the highs here, and then the next one begin to move up if that daily candle wants to turn around now. So Nightbot. Alright, so give me like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Okie dokie. We got Mr. Johnny Gems in the house.
Yo, yo, yo.
There he is.
What's up, my man?
How we do?
I get that. Hey, it's grateful to be back. Let's go.
Let's see. Chat, let me know when our voices match up. La la la
Sorry.
la 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 la.
I'm sorry.
How's John's voice?
I'm gonna talk a bit lower today.
I'm gonna remember the number here too, so we could set it up.
Yeah, facts.
Keep going down on
Let's
John a little bit. Whoa.
Hey,
What,
yo.
TK? What was that,
Let's
bro?
lower me down a bit, bro. Hey, yo. Lower me
This
down, bro,
guy.
to the lowest level.
How's that?
Get me to the lowest.
Lower?
Lower me to the lowest volume, bro.
Keep going down. A little more.
A little bit more. Hey, yo, TK, pause now.
Stop the cap. How's that?
Yo, what's
All right, let's get him up here.
good, my brother Nick?
Let's
How we
get him
feeling,
up
dude?
here. Yeah, brother, doing amazing. You?
Awesome. Yeah, blessed and highly favored.
Amen.
You know the
Someone out there in
vibes.
the chat's drinking to that.
You know the vibes, bro. Another day to be patient and disciplined to the system. Let's go.
There he is. We're in the Black Shirt Club.
Yo, yo, what's good, chat? How we feeling? Hope everyone's feeling great. What's today? Thursday? Happy Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
We're
We
about,
got
we're about to end the
two
week
new
off.
mods. We got 2 new mods also.
Hey, okay. Hey, I see energy. Energy's looking good with that wrench. Who's the second mod? Oh, Tamra? Sheesh. Yo,
Say,
let's
oh.
go. Tamra's looking fly. Let's go. Congrats, Energy and Tamra.
With the
Beautiful.
wrench. With the
You guys are
wrenchy.
looking beautiful with them wrenches.
Jimmy Williams in the Black Shirt Club. Why don't we all just throw a black shirt on here today?
Do it.
Everyone grab a black shirt. Yeah, this would be actually lovely. So if we can now, so we close bearish here, right? So now, this is the 15-minute time frame. So this is going to be the first 15-minute of the hour candle, right? So if we can now actually close bullish above here, right? Now we have a different story because now we have a new support. We got a fresh breakout. We've got clean traffic to the left. We have high volume coming in, and that's where we could possibly fill that range here. Other than that, we may begin to push down, right? So let's wait on this 15-minute closure. If it closes above, we may have a shot at going long here up until like 25.70, which is going to be that 15-minute resistance. I think it's like like about 60 pips. And if we remain below, then we may have an option to either trade within this range, or wait for those closures below this 15-minute support there.
Simple. Simple price action.
Oh, and a 4-hour close bull. Well, that's pretty good. Let's take
That
a
is
look.
good because our 4 hours already in the process of breaking highs. Seems like our 4 hours trying to create support as well. So let's see that.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Oh, we lost you in the shade. Yeah, I have some sick lighting. I just didn't put it up yet. Been lazy. Yeah, I
See
have
the
some
lighting,
nice
though.
lighting, but I gotta put it up today. Sandman in the building. Johnny
Yo, what's
Gems,
up,
how was your
Sandman?
rest?
My rest was good, bro. Yeah. I woke up pretty late for London, but I pulled up in the clubhouse for a bit. But then I got some rest. I went I took a little bit more rest after London, kind of a little soft, and then I got back up, did my non-negotiables, and I'm here.
W, he's here.
Yeah. I knew we had news 8:32, so I was cool with coming after.
Yeah. Would you need a 15 to close bullish, then bearish at your sell line? Yeah, so down here. Yeah, I mean, if we kind of drove all the way down, that would force us to wait, right, for another candle here. So let's say we close like right here. Then yeah, I would probably be looking to wait for like this, right, and then a fresh candle that closes below, and then it'll be go time for me. Yeah, you get that, and I'm good. Or you get some sort of like potential closures back in this range here, because this is where we melted off from earlier, right? So this is where we began the bleeder here in London, right? So can we come back into this area and continue melting, right? That's the question. So yeah, we'll see. Non-negotiables, baby. Yep. Gotta get to him.
What's up, Benjamin? Sorry.
Yo, they made the funniest video with Trump and Biden, as if they were like best friends. It was an AI generated video. Did anyone see that?
Yo, yes, bro.
They were like eating ice cream together. They were like visiting the Grand Canyon together.
I'm like, this is staged, G.
Well, it was all AI,
Oh,
obviously. Did anybody else see that video? That was actually pretty funny. They went on like an ice cream date together.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, they went out to lunch.
I seen them.
Funny.
I seen that they actually met in person in real life.
Even that was
Like
probably
Trump.
AI generated.
That's what I'm saying. They were just both just smiling at the camera. But I didn't see that AI generated thing. I'm gonna check that out.
Johnny Gems, yeah, he was just dishing out pips yesterday in the clubhouse.
Hey, bro,
dishing
it's the playbook, not me.
But you know what's cool? Pretty much every trade we take in the clubhouse, everyone agrees. Like, yeah, this is gonna be a great trade. Even if we lose it, we're like, yo, honestly, that looked good. So that's the cool part, is everyone's on that same page and understands the moves, and it's super cool.
Yeah, and we all really can care less about the outcome because we know that's out of our control, and we know that our job as traders is just to execute on the edge, right? We get paid to execute our edge. So if we can just execute on that edge where we know we have some valid edge, then we know we did our job, and we don't have to worry about the outcome. It will take care of itself naturally. So that helps us too, the clubhouse.
Joe's happy he won. What up, Crypto Madden? How you doing? Joe's ecstatic that he won. Not just happy. What's up, Brax? How are you, man? Eric
Brax,
P.
what's up, man?
Oh, link. Link to what?
The club.
You seen
Clubhouse.
the video, Eric? Yeah, that was funny. AI is wild.
Good, Eric. Yo, what's up, Harry? What are my non-negotiables? It's a good question. Yeah, I like to, I have like a couple of them. You know, one of them is I like to read the word every day and pray. I like to journal, you know, write the things I'm grateful for, and also speak positive affirmations. I like to always get a workout in, 10,000 steps. I like to read, you know, at least 30 minutes a day. And I like to make sure I'm following my plan in trading every single day. It's a non-negotiable as well, following my plan in trading and reviewing the trades that I take. So yeah, those are my non-negotiables.
W. Hard to lose. Makes it easy to win, doesn't it?
Yes, bro. See, as you increase your inputs, you increase your probabilities for success. So just increase your inputs. Remember, what you input, you'll output in equal proportion. So yeah, I don't want to count on luck. I want to always count on probabilities. So if I can do things that I can control in life that will overall predict my probabilities for success and for an outcome, then that's what I'm going to do. Right? And I feel like a lot of us are unhappy because we're focused on the wrong thing. You know, we're focused on the things we can't control, like the outcome of our life. But if we focus on the inputs, the things we can control, that will automatically and naturally predict our probabilities of achieving that goal or that outcome we want. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just kind of how I see it. That's why I focus on the input, especially in trading, right? Mark Douglas says focus on the process of trading. Well, he says the professional traders focus on the process of trading and the amateur traders focus on the outcome. So yeah, with anything you do, you know, try to focus on the inputs because the inputs is what you can control. Yeah, thanks, Harry. What's up, TK? Yeah, nah, man. If you you gotta plan these things out, you know, you gotta get organized. If you fail to plan, right, you plan to fail. So yeah, plan is everything, especially trading. Right? I think successful trading, good trading is about winning the trade in your head before you even execute the trade, meaning you planned it out, you plan the trade, and you trade the plan. London's a vibe. Yo, C Melly. What up, C Melly? For real, bro. London is a vibe. That's why I'm like, dude, like, I can't be sleeping. Like, London volume is great. We got the clubhouse, the boys, the girls. Like, we're chilling. You know, we're all chilling in the clubhouse. Like, when am I be sleeping? We got great volume time. So, I feel you, bro. You're hooked now. Seriously. Good, J Coop. Yo, J Coop, you gotta pull up, bro. Let's go. Set that alarm clock for 2 a.m. Just pull up for London Open, actually. What's up, Sebastian? What's up, Magnus? Yes, sir, Magnus. Yep. Sleepy Hot Dog, what's up, bro? What's up, Joria? Marvin? Oh, yes, you're welcome, Deuce Trey. Yeah, I mean, that's advice I just got from successful individuals, Nick, you know, as well as some others, you know, so yeah, I'm just happy to pass it on. What's up, Only Bands? Had to write that one down. Yeah, facts, bro. It's a good gem right there. It's important to remind ourselves this stuff as well, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I like to do positive self-talk. It not only programs my mind for success, but it reminds me of the truth. You know what I'm saying? So it reminds me to be faithful in my work and not be fearful. What's up, Mr. Kraft? Let's get my man. But yeah, like, you know, knowing yourself as a trader, knowing your plan, like, since I've planned the trade out beforehand, now I'm just waiting for the trade to present itself, right? So my job here as a trader becomes super simple, right? It becomes super simple to be patient and wait because I understand what I'm looking for, right? I understand my move. I planned it out before. I planned it out right when I got here to the desk. So it's very simple now to wait on that play. Makes our job easy as traders. Yeah, exactly, JorFX, yep. Right, and as long as you're executing the playbook setup, right, as long as you're executing your plan, then, hey, you did your job. You did your job, right? And we just have to let the outcome kind of take care of itself over time. But we really do get paid to execute our edge. Like I said before, it's like all right, yo, I'm gonna give you a monthly or weekly or even quarterly or even yearly salary, but you gotta execute your edge in order to get that salary. So don't focus on getting paid, right? Just focus on executing that edge because you will get paid for executing your edge. And we do. We get paid to execute our edge, but we get paid over time. It's kind of like some jobs out there, you know. Any book suggestions? Yeah, a couple, man. Definitely the Bible. The Bible has all the sauce, all the wisdom. Um, Outwitting the Devil is great. Think and Grow Rich. The Richest Man in Babylon. You got The Slight Edge. You got The Magic of Thinking Big. The 5 a.m. Club is great. The Compound Effect is amazing. The Forex Mindset's amazing. There's a couple good trading books I heard that were great that I have not listened to or that I have not read. You got The One Good Trade, Trading in the Zone, Reminiscent of a Stock Operator. Those are all some good books that I haven't read yet, but I heard that they were really good as well. But the books I mentioned before, I read all those books. So yeah, check those out, man. Those are all really good books. And you'll read a quote or so in one of these books, but could you imagine reading the whole book? You know what I'm saying? Like you open the book, you see one quote, and you're like, whoa, that's powerful. But could you imagine reading the whole book? You know, so reading personal development books are major key, man, to getting really smart.
Yeah, has anyone read The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari? I just ordered that book. I've always heard of it, but I never read it. The same guy who wrote the 5 a.m. Club, he wrote that book. I gotta check it out. I hear a lot of good things about it.
Yeah, word. I'm gonna check that out too.
Great book. Oh yeah, I can't wait to read it. Should be here today or tomorrow.
Another 15 closure and below.
Yeah, so the 15 closed below the zone here. So we should have some volume coming in. If we keep rejecting the top side, I mean, look what happened last time we kept rejecting here, right? So we started rejecting the top side right over here, and then we just ended up melting, right? So if we continue to reject here, and then you begin to like maybe break this low on the next candle, right? That's going to be 930 high volume. You have this wick to fill right here, right? And then maybe we continue just pushing down through the volume with this bearish, you know, big bearish kind of bias that gold is presenting. So we'll see how the closure, if we get a close above, then that candle right there is now going to be doing something that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 candles attempted to close above there, and weren't able to do it, right? So if this guy actually does that right ahead of the volume, then this guy may say, hey, we're picking the direction's up, and then our next 15-minute candle at that point, which is going to be 930, may pop up and fill that range. So we'll see. I think this closure will tell us a lot. If it closes above, we may be bullish here for 930. If it rejects the way these candles did and these candles did, then we may have a nice push down. So just gotta be a little bit patient and wait this 12 minutes. This would be great, because if we can reject here, activate buyers, kind of like we did over here, and then just collect all the orders and flood straight back down, that'd be awesome.
I agree.
Yeah, I think I'd much rather take that move over the buy position here today, but we'll see. When we come into London,
Yeah.
I would say sometime next year in 2025. I want to plan on doing 3 or maybe 4 trips next year. Yeah, the 4 hour on Oanda closed bullish, right? Yeah, my 4 hour is still open, so what session do I like the most? I think I just New York session. London is really amazing though, because you do have a lot of volume and you don't have much of anything in the way, like any fundamental type of things. So it's pure price action there. But New York is just something special. You know, just been trading New York for such a long time.
Yeah, that's that bread and butter right there.
Yeah, dude. If this low here remains like that right there, like super small like that, and then we reject here, I'll have a sell stop on the break of that low, anticipating price to fill this wick here, and then continue moving down. But we gotta have a nice rejection here.
Yeah. And the markets are either gonna wait for the 930 volume or not. You know what I'm saying? So it's like
Good to great.
made our job easier.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry.
Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes. So right now it's bullish, but you know, it could be bearish by the end of the candle here. So we got 10 minutes. We'll see where we go. London. Thailand, eh? Hope we like the rain. Oh, yeah. I want to trade in the clubhouse for London, but I get so tired. That's fine. That's fine. The club, I want the clubhouse to just be designed for your needs, you know, not your extra needs. Like, if you trade New York and Asian, we'll be there, you know, so you don't have to there is a little FOMO, I'm not gonna lie, right? Like, even me, I just like John tried staying out of London like yesterday or the day before, and he's been back, so it's tough. It's tough to stay away, but you know, you still got to get your rest in.
Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, I like to kind of do it based off of how many trades I'm up to. Like, all right, yo, I already took a trade in Asia, New York. Like, I'm gonna skip London today. You know, I'm already up 2 trades. So I don't know. You know, just flow with it. You know, it's there. We're there if you want to pull up whenever you feel the need. Like Nick said, just pull up.
Yeah. Every now and then
like
come in, but you might get hooked like C Melly.
Yeah, me and C Melly are hooked now.
You know, before that, C Melly was a regular, stand-up, good quality citizen of the United States of America who went to bed at a decent time and woke up at a great time, and now we got this dude running around middle of the night, putting the blue lights on, getting ready to jump on with the clubhouse, man. It's wild.
London time is when you need the blue light.
It's hard to stay
blockers
away.
the most, bro.
Yo, facts. But you know, C Melly got big goals. He got bigger goals, and his goals are more important than his sleep, and my goals are more important than my sleep too. You know, we'll still get it, but we learn to run on what we got. Run on some passion. Run on some purpose.
Run on that why. Hell yeah, bro.
Traders X in the building. What's good, brother? Hope you're well. Hope you're well.
What's up, Traders X? I mean, yeah, bro, that why, that passion, that's where you get the fuel to and the energy to go on like 3 hours of sleep and just grind, bro.
Yeah. Daniel too. Daniel be up like 24/7. Travis, I don't even think that dude's. I don't even think Travis blinks. Travis, do you even blink, my friend?
Travis, like,
come to think of it, I don't think I've ever seen him blink.
Yeah, let's get Travis. Travis is a beast, bro.
That man's in every session. He's a Wakanda warrior, dude. They don't make him like they make him in Wakanda, man.
Hell no, bro. Hell no.
George VDM is all over the place too, man. All over.
Yeah.
All over the
It's good,
clubhouse.
George. Yeah, George is like a spider on the wall. It's like I'm not in the. There's like 4 corners. It's in one corner here. And you look away. It's in another corner. You're
Yup.
like, what the hell?
Everywhere you look, that man's there. He reminds me of me. Everywhere my mentor would look, somewhere I'd be right there lurking. He used to give me a little nod. He's Spider-Man.
Like,
Spider-Man.
where's George? Oh wait, he's right behind me.
How do you stay so patient? It's not, my move hasn't presented itself yet. So really, in reality, literally nothing is happening. In my mind, nothing is happening. 4 years ago, I'd be like, oh my God, buy right here.
Yeah. Now you gotta know what you're looking for, man. When you know what you're looking for, that removes emotion, that removes FOMO, and brings in patience and confidence. So yeah. Nice, Daniel.
Sleep only 3 hours, but what, the whole rest of the day? Yo, it's crazy, man. My days are, every day, my day is a little different. A little different.
The rest of the day we live our life. You know?
I have no issues staying busy. Trust me. We got a whole company we're running. We got 3 little kids. It gets wild.
Yep.
And then sometimes I'm just chilling.
Still focus. Sorry.
No, I was gonna say that. But yeah, sometimes I'll just be
I
chilling.
was saying, yeah, you got all that stuff. You gotta focus. You gotta continue to focus and build yourself as well as an individual. You know, you got your relationships you need to work on. There's always something I feel like to work on. Yeah.
A lot more going on than trading.
You got your trading too, yeah. Thanks, Gold.
Travis.
Gold.
Good. The further, the better.
Yeah.
We'll see how we do in this overall zone here.
Didn't want to wait for that 930 volume. That's cool.
How can I get a solution for overtrading? Do what you see us doing. Know what you're looking for. Right? When you know what you're looking for, trust me, it's not going to pop up like one after another, after another, after another, after another. You know, good setups, they come, but they're not always consistently repeating themselves all day long. So know exactly what you're looking for. Anything that doesn't fit that description, just keep your hands off of it.
Yep. And new rule for you too, brother. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. 2 trades max. All right. Don't take any more trades after you've taken 2 trades. If you do that, then you could start overtrading like the problem you have. But if you could stick to that rule of just 1 to 2 trades a day, you will you know, get rid of overtrading. Yeah, dude, actually try that. Do what Nick said. Don't execute a setup unless it's a playbook setup, and 1 to 2 trades a day. Because less is more, right? Less is more in trading.
Yep, it is. Overtrading be wildin'. That process be wild. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
That process be wild.
That's just calls from lack of discipline to rules, bro. Honestly.
Yo, you get caught up in that real quick, it gets crazy in 45 minutes. It gets crazy.
Yeah,
you wouldn't believe what can happen
trade.
in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta, once you become self-aware though of, it's okay to make that mistake, become self-aware of when that mistake does get made, and then be like, you know what, next time I'm gonna catch that earlier, right? Next time I'm gonna become aware of that a little bit sooner. And then you'll slowly start to catch on, and you'll notice, man, I'm really digging myself in a hole with this over trading crap. Like, it's just holding me back. And then you'll eventually, you know, get into the process of slowing that down and, you know, starting to see a little bit better results. And then look, you might get caught up in another day of over trading as you're trying to get better. But that's the process, gang. You know, it's not, you know, one day you suck and then the next day you're incredible. It's just not how things work. It's a process. You know, I'll, you know, still blow accounts in the future, right? We're all going to continue to do that, I'm sure, here and there. But, you know, as long as you can limit it and become aware of what your defects are and how to kind of stay on your toes with it, you can deflect it. So,
yeah, man. Do your best to just build the habit of discipline to the system, bro. Like, that's it.
yeah, so I might be looking at a fade in this situation here as we come up to this wick. We're coming into this 1 hour resistance here, 30-minute resistance. We've got lots of volume coming in here. So I want to see a bottom wick, then price push up a little bit, and then maybe we have a fade opportunity here. No, go up first. So look at all this bearish pressure.
It's a lot of volume. This is probably pre-news as well as 9:30. Mixture of it. Or post-news, sorry.
Top 3 thoughts on quitting the job and stuff like that. I'll give you one. You never outsave a money problem, you always out earn it. So you have to out earn the job, right? So whatever you're making at the job, you need to somehow, some other way, figure out how to double that and triple that. That's the only way to solve the money problem. People who are clipping coupons at 25 are the same people clipping coupons at 45 and 55. It's a mentality, it's a mindset. You out earn money issues. All right, let's see if we can
100%.
flip bull here. Yeah, so we're coming into the zone here. Curious to see how we begin to react. But may have a sell stop here. 36 pip stops. Yeah. Gonna have a sell stop here on gold. High volume time. Pretty bearish for the most part. We've just filled that 4-hour wick. Now can we pull back? Right, last 28 minutes of this 4-hour candle. Can we get a pullback here while we've got volume coming in? Stops will be pretty much wherever this candle's high is. Yeah, so probably, like I said, like 40 pip stops. Advantage points for me sitting down here, right in this range. I believe that'll be roughly about 40 as well. And then, yeah, see if we can kind of melt off. What's the max stop I'll go? I don't even know if there is one. A lot of times if it's a little too big, I'll lower my lot size or contract size. If it gets past like 50-ish, 45, 50, then yeah, that's when I start to lose interest. But keep in mind, you know, like we are bullish here. Although we are at resistance, we could still push bullish. But what we know that's been happening, and we're pretty bearish and all that good stuff, and this could be some liquidity to continue pushing price down. I feel pretty good if we break that low, that, you know, maybe we can push our way down towards 61 here and fill that range. In the clubby. W Gotham, good to see you, man. I hope you're feeling better. Hope you're
What's up,
feeling better,
Gotham?
bro.
Good, bro.
Yeah, so could we see this 4-hour candle begin to pull back in the last 30 minutes of the the futures candle here? So we'll see if that's the case. We got 930, we got volume. Yeah, so I'm willing to give this a shot here. All right, cool. W. All right, lovely. So I am in, and we'll see where we go. So a little bit of a fade position. We can continue moving bullish. We might move bearish. We'll see. I do like the break of the lows here, so we'll see where we go. We do have volume as well. So we should have lots of volume coming in. Whether it goes up or down, we have no clue. We just know that there's a fade opportunity here, and that's what we execute on.
Yeah, random outcome here.
Yeah, if you want to wait, you could wait for like, so let's say you are bearish, but you don't want to get in impulsively. You can wait for this candle to close, right? And if it closes bearish, then you can, enter a trade off the onion. But, there's a high chance that this candle runs, whether it runs up or down is one thing, but this is a high volume candle here. So keep that in mind.
Yeah. Could leave without you if you're waiting.
My stops are kept above these highs here, above all these 15-minute highs as well. So if it breaks up there, yeah, there it goes. So then we may push, right? We may push now. But we'll see what happens at this resistance, but I'm out. I don't want to be in after we break that high. I don't want to be in because this candle can just push right up here. Yeah, my
That's
stops
fine.
got hit there.
Gave it a shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gold, wake up. Gold's been moving, man. Gold has been really moving. Hold on, let me get a pic of this.
Volume is great. This volume's nice.
Yeah, got to keep a tight stop there though, because you have high volume. This is the resistance level. You don't want it going any further, right? If we break through, then it could continue running. The way I give this a second chance is now if we close bearish, then we kind of take the onion there. Oh, Lele's here.
Lele.
And Maverick. Oh. That is John. Hi, buddy.
Lele.
Yep. Yep. Went half risk. Yeah, me too. I went 2 contracts on that one. Hey, careful.
Nice. Yeah, TK, I like that,
What's
bro.
up,
Make
Maverick?
double the job before quitting. That's really good. That's a great way of looking at it as well. Yeah, and I really like the idea of your trading making you like 18 months to 24 months of your like monthly expenses. And that could be like your peace of mind account that can help you, kind of quit your job. Everyone's different. Not everyone's gonna want to quit their job or stay, But I really like the idea of your trading, putting money into another account, like your peace of mind account, that is like 12 to 24 months of your monthly expenses, and your trading will pay for that. And if your trading pays for that, you kind of have, you'll have that data as well to show consistent profitability because you're able to make, a year or 2 years of your monthly expenses, right? And if you're gonna do full-time trading, you got to have the account size as well to pay those bills as well. You know what I'm saying? You need that account size. I like the idea of like 1 to 5 winning trades, depending on your appetite. 1 to 5 winning trades is like your monthly expense. Trust, the last thing you want to do, is quit your job and have to go back. So. Lele bring out the volume, man. Yeah, Lele bring out that volume. She brought it out before 9:30 and then with 9:30. Hey, let's go. Over 100 people here in the clubhouse. Let's get it. Good, everyone. Exactly, got him. Yeah, if you're quitting, make sure it's your last 9 to 5. But I really like that, TK. I really like what TK said. Make sure you're making double what your job's making before you quit. That's really good.
Making double.
Yeah, we got 100 people in the house. Let's go.
101. Hey.
101.
WWW. 101 8-figure traders. You guys ever seen 101
Yes,
Dalmatians? Got 101 8-figure traders. Dalmatian. Yeah, Lele came in, popped price on us here, man. I should have locked the door. Yeah, we still may melt off here.
Sample sizing.
Just gotta.
Should do a little sample sizing with Alea.
Yeah. Every time she comes in, we'll take a trade.
Yeah, right. Like, where's the volume going when she comes in?
Facts. So yeah, so we got 4 minutes on the candle. So remember what I was saying earlier about how if you're not in yet, you can wait, and if the candle ends up closing bearish, then that's going to give us more of a probability at that point. So if we get that, that's where I will give this trade a second chance. If we don't get that, then I can't do anything just yet.
Yeah, we got 5 minutes.
Boom, boom. Waiting to short the trend break. Oh, over here, below here. Yeah, that's not a bad idea either.
Damn, Travis, no way, bro. I wonder, did you contact their support team or did you give them a call? That's so strange, bro.
At least they hooked you up, right?
Yeah, they did. They did. They probably gave you a free credit. They probably gave you another free reset as well. They usually do that.
Oh, nice. 2 pips from stop loss, W. Saved by 2 pips. Yeah, you know what? I could have looked over here too at this candle. I think this was that's that candle that we always kind of look at. But I didn't notice it there. But yeah, we should be good here.
Are we gonna wait? Probably not.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Still holding? Nice, nice. Good stuff, yeah. I'm sure a bunch of you guys are probably still holding. No way. I have not seen that. How'd the chicken do? How do you actually do? See, even a chicken can be successful at trading.
Right.
The chicken don't think. He just trades. he just presses buttons.
All you gotta do is press a button, yeah. I swear, bro, the first trade I've ever took in my life, I had no clue what I was doing. I just pressed a button and I made money.
Well, that was fun.
I sent it to Nick.
I'm doing this for life.
Yeah, Nick, remember you were like, yo, this man is savage.
Yeah.
But it was just like mad luck.
Yeah, beginner's luck. Just keep getting lucky.
Yeah, exactly.
It's probably just because you weren't really thinking about it too much.
Right.
Just like anything.
I was like, it looks like we're
any
going down
game.
here. So.
Well, this is obvious that we're going down. Now here we are, like, It just closed above. Nah, those rules have really kept us in check though.
Oh, yeah.
They've kept us
Definitely,
very
bro.
well off.
We like to troll though.
We like to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We're trolling.
Yeah, I gotta get my lights
What's up,
hooked up.
Conrad?
I guess I don't look the best here, eh? It's a little dark. Little
You're
darky,
always
little
looking good,
darky.
bro. We might need
Nah,
to give you that
too
late
much
back.
shadow. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Took it too early, I guess.
Hey, no better time than 9:30. All right, so I might be giving this a second shot here. Looks good now. We've actually got a onion set up here, so resistance being formed. So we'll see what happens. 42 seconds.
You can use current candle stops.
Current candle stops. Yep. Where TK, I gotta unbox these lights, man. Gotta unbox them. Can we enter a buy? Absolutely. Absolutely. Even the chicken. Remember the chicken can do enter buys, sells, anything. You could do whatever. NASDAQ selling off. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to have a sell stop here on gold again. I'm going to give this a second chance here. I'm going to keep current candle highs as the stop loss. And basically just looking at this 30-minute time frame again, right, for potential management here. So that's what I'll be doing. See if we get a good top wick.
There we go.
Not the chicken. The chicken, bro. The chicken.
This is the last 15 of the 4 hour too.
It is.
And the 4 hour is trending bullish. So if we want to pull back.
Stops are going to be current candle high. So my stops are going to be sitting like right here. Expecting us to break the low if we do and just go. TK, TK, TK. TK, TK, TK. Alright, this will be like my area for TP or partials. And then, yeah, see if the rest can run. 4. Alright, that's it. We'll see if it can go. Second chance here. We'll see if it runs.
So we will.
Mainly looking to retest the lows there.
Give it some time.
Dum, dum, dum. Flashbang. Bang. Let's see. ES is bleeding. Oh, baby. Let's take a look at this real quick. Yeah, man, this was 1 hour was lovely here. Very nice. You even closed below this range. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour was good there. So let's see if we can get this 4-hour candle to pull back. If not, we could create support, just keep moving up. But I would expect maybe a pullback here on the 4-hour. Giving it a second chance. If this one hits, then I'll probably call it a day on this account.
Damn, it was a couple pips away from stop loss there, B. All good.
How did my record change from 13 and 8 to 15 and 6? I took 3 trades. 8. Wait, where'd you see 8? No, I didn't close half here. That's let's say I would have entered on the flip. So a lot of times Raja will enter on the flip. So it makes sense to close half, but when we come back to break even here, I mean it doesn't really make sense to close half because we could just continue driving down at that point. Lele, bring the volume. Bring her in here.
Yeah, Lele back.
Get her back. All right, we'll see. Maybe we're just completely wrong here about the direction, right? Maybe gold just wants to continue pushing up, and that's okay. Some days that could happen to you. Just take a deep breath and just know life is good.
Yeah, I just got out.
You're out?
Yeah.
I'm close. So what does that tell me? If I get stopped out here, what does that tell me? That in price, not if I get stopped out, but if price actually goes up here, that tells me that I don't have a good read on the market right now, right? According to my system, it's not jiving for me the best, right? Pulled one good trade earlier, price wanted to continue up. Gives it a retry, price wants to continue up. So that means that price action is not in our favor currently, right? It's just kind of moving around a little bit. I think maybe previous candle stops would be good, but those would be way too much for me.
Yeah, they would be. Yeah, it was probably literally a push away from break even.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I got stopped by like 3 pips too, and then we melted before on the first trade.
Yeah, yeah. It's all good. We did our job.
All right, still pretty happy with those trades. 930 fade, I always like. 945 onion, I like. Yeah, really wouldn't do anything different.
Yeah.
Stops are a bit too steep on the previous candle. But yeah, we'll see if we keep melting.
I'm back down now.
How you doing? What up, Gifted Kings? I'm out. Time to drive.
I'm out. Yep.
That's how it is sometimes,
there.
man.
Now we're driving. Excuse me.
Today's not my day.
Just took us out.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, you can't win them all, you know?
Now it should melt. Yeah, we should have no issue coming down into that support. Just want to play some games here.
It's a great trade.
Yeah, as long as this outcome plays out, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm still pretty happy with the trade itself. The regular playbook position.
Yeah.
Melt.
That's the randomness, the uncertainty of trading, right?
That's it.
You just you're just left scratching your head like, what the hell? Like, how did that stop me out and then drop TP?
Yeah,
that's that randomness of trading.
For those of you guys that are still in, I'd probably look to do something somewhere in this range here. Support would be awesome if you can tap into that. That's where I'd close partials and then let the rest run. Just let it run.
Went half risk on that with the current candle stop.
Lovely. Ugly day for gold. He sold. Pump it. Percentage this year? I don't even know, man. I've worked like 4 accounts this year.
Time to wait now for the playbook setup again.
Yeah, I'll be calling it on this account. I'll trade on the practice account or on my personal account, but this one I'm done for the day. Lockout time.
Lockout.
Yeah, sometimes it happens with the fade. Yep. Beautiful. Yeah, support coming in
closing
hot.
like right now. Yeah.
What is this? 40?
Congrats to those
35.
who kept it. Good work.
Yeah, anyone who kept it, good work, man. This is where I would start closing some partials.
Definitely.
So overall, it worked out, which is I'm happy about. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Damn, shoulda raised my stops.
Twice. I should have raised it the first time. I think this one stopped me out by 1 pip.
I think so too, bro. Maybe by 2.
That's dirty. That's dirty work.
I mean, of course, previous candle stops made more sense there, but to fit my, kind of like my RR trade here.
Yeah, the big thing that we were looking for is the 4-hour pullback, though. And that's what we're beginning to see right now with that 20, 30 minutes that was left of it. That's what we wanted to see from a price action standpoint. That's what we got. We got the 1 hour to pull back, which is also what we wanted to see. And yeah, 30-minute. Everything worked out well, just the timing was off.
Yeah.
But, hey, we executed at the best times, right?
Yeah.
9:30 and 9:45.
Take that trade all day, every day. That's what you call a good, healthy loss.
Got 40 pips. Congrats. Good job. Yeah, anyone who caught that trade, good job. Good work. Hopefully you understood it, right? Seen it. And yeah, if you had your stops above these highs, I mean, you're chilling. You're big chilling. But I would have closed partials sitting right around that area just because we could reject this zone here. And yeah, looks good. Looks real good.
We'll eat that. We'll wait for another setup and make it right back.
W trade DT Gamer. Yep. Overall, am I up? Yeah, I think we only had 1 red month this year, which was February. Other than that, we've been cooking, man. We have been absolutely cooking. That one tough month there. Tough month. But I think that's going to do it here for me today. I'll be in the clubhouse, but I'm probably going to lock out on this account here and trade either my personal account, maybe even a practice account if we get any other trades today. And yeah, good stream. Really good trades. If you guys took losses, keep your head up. There's no reason to hang your head low on these trades. These were money positions. First one was good money. Beautiful fade. That actually ended up working out. Second one, lovely onion play. I think it was both really good trades. No need to question life after today's live stream, right?
Yep, facts. If you took the loss, it's part of the business, right? Let's just continue to do our job and remember that money will come right back to us. So no worries at all.
Yes, sir. All right, it's still glory to the Father. I'm going to holla at you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Let's close this week out strong. And we'll head into the weekend with all W's, all right? Johnny Gems,
all right,
see you in the clubhouse, G.
See you there, bro.
Chat.
Peace out, chat.
Hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Peace.
counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.